Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you how to automatically turn off or power on or reboot your Redmi phone without touching your power button. So what this method is going to show you is for you to schedule your phone power off and also schedule the time that the phone will automatically power on, and also you can reboot the phone as well without you touching your power button. I'm going to be doing that with my Redmi phone. So on your Redmi phone, go to your phone settings. Inside the settings search box, search for schedule. From the schedule result, select schedule power on and off. Here the first settings you're going to choose is to select the power off time. So toggle it on, and here you can select the power off time. Let's say you want your phone to be powering off every day at 11:20 p.m., which is 21:20. Oh no, 21:20. Okay, 11:20. Okay, let's say 10:20 p.m. 22:20. You set it to OK, and you set the day. Let's say every weekdays. That's Monday to Friday, and you do that same. So every day your phone should power on at, let's say, 5:30 a.m. You set the time. Tap on OK, and under repeat you select weekdays, which is Monday to Friday. And since your phone powers on Friday, powers off on Friday, sorry, also you need to select custom. So you can select Monday to Friday and also Saturday, since it's going to power off on Friday night. Tap on OK, and you press the tick icon at the top right here, depending on how it's shown on your phone, to save it. So with that guys, you've been able to schedule your phone power on and off without touching your power button. And also, if you want to turn it off, just go back to there, turn it off and save. It's now off. Thanks guys for watching. Please hit the like button to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in my next video.